The F-126 frigate program is among Germany's most ambitious and significant naval projects in recent history. It represents a strategic attempt to modernize the German Navy's surface combatant fleet by building 4 advanced multi-role frigates designed to meet a broad spectrum of operational needs. These vessels are expected to replace older ships, including the Sachsen-class frigates, and to serve well into the mid-21st century. The goal is to equip Germany's navy with state-of-the-art technology that can handle tasks such as air defense, anti-submarine warfare, surface combat, and expeditionary operations. From the start, the F-126 program was envisioned as a highly complex endeavor, involving multiple stakeholders across borders. The lead contractor is Damen Schelde Naval Shipbuilding, a prominent Dutch shipyard with extensive experience in warship construction. This collaboration extends to numerous subcontractors across Germany and Europe, each responsible for different parts of the design, systems integration, and physical construction. The scale of this cooperation reflects the increasingly international nature of defense procurement today, where no single company or nation can easily deliver every component of a modern warship. Despite the ambitious planning, the program has encountered several substantial challenges. The central issue lies in the digital infrastructure and software systems used for ship design and production management. Modern naval vessels are incredibly complex, with tens of thousands of components that must fit together precisely. This complexity necessitates advanced software tools to manage everything from engineering drawings to manufacturing schedules and quality control data. The F-126 program's difficulties stem from the integration of Damen's proprietary digital design and production software with the systems used by subcontractors. The failure to achieve seamless communication between these software platforms has caused delays in sharing critical digital documentation. This lack of interoperability means that the detailed plans and production instructions cannot flow smoothly between the main contractor and suppliers, leading to misunderstandings, rework, and slowdowns in the manufacturing process. These IT integration problems have forced German shipyards involved in the assembly of the frigates to undertake extensive repairs and modifications to work around the gaps created by missing or incompatible digital information. Such rework is costly, time-consuming, and risks compounding delays further. Moreover, it raises questions about quality assurance, since mistakes in complex warship systems can have serious implications for safety and operational effectiveness. As a consequence, the originally optimistic timeline for delivering the lead ship by 2028 now appears increasingly unrealistic. This delay has generated mounting political pressure within Germany. Members of the Christian Democratic Union (CDU), one of the country's major political parties, have been particularly vocal in criticizing the management of the project. They argue that the ongoing setbacks represent chronic issues of coordination and cost control, and question whether continuing the F-126 program in its current form is a wise use of taxpayer money. The CDU's concerns are rooted in a broader debate about how Germany should prioritize its naval investments. Some politicians suggest that focusing resources on the next generation of frigates, the F-127 program, may offer better returns. The F-127 is expected to incorporate cutting-edge systems, such as the Aegis air defense system, a proven platform used by several Allied navies known for its advanced radar and missile interception capabilities. This shift would align Germany's naval modernization more closely with NATO interoperability and future threats. However, canceling a program as large and complex as the F-126 is not a straightforward decision. The Federal Ministry of Defense has so far opted for a more cautious stance, emphasizing efforts to resolve the technical issues and keep the project on track. This cautious approach reflects the many risks involved in cancellation, including financial penalties, industrial disruptions, and gaps in naval capability during the transition to new platforms. The difficulties faced by the F-126 program also highlight the broader challenges inherent in modern military procurement. Today's defense projects frequently involve numerous contractors, advanced digital tools, and international collaboration. While these approaches offer benefits in specialization and technology sharing, they also introduce risks. Integrating diverse software systems and processes demands highly skilled project management and flexible technological solutions. When these elements fail to align, projects risk suffering delays, cost overruns, and even loss of confidence from political stakeholders and the public. Germany's experience with the F-126 frigate program may become a case study in how such challenges can manifest in naval shipbuilding. It underscores the importance of thorough digital integration planning and continuous risk management throughout the procurement lifecycle. Strategically, the F-126 program's future is tied to Germany's broader defense posture and its commitments within international alliances. The Navy plays a critical role in securing maritime trade routes, contributing to collective defense, and enabling Germany to participate in global crisis response missions. Delays in the frigate program may impact these capabilities, potentially limiting operational readiness at a time of increasing geopolitical tension worldwide. In the industrial sphere, the problems experienced by the program place stress on Germany's shipbuilding sector. Repair work and schedule slippages not only increase costs but also create uncertainty for the workforce and suppliers. Such disruptions can affect long-term industrial competitiveness and the ability to sustain a skilled labor pool essential for future defense projects. The program's complexity is further heightened by the fast pace of technological development in naval warfare. Digital systems, sensors, and weapons technology are evolving rapidly. Delays in construction risk the vessels being somewhat outdated by the time they enter service, necessitating costly upgrades or modifications shortly after commissioning. Nonetheless, the commitment by the Ministry of Defense to order additional frigates under the F-126 design indicates confidence in the program's eventual success. It also signals recognition that the program's capabilities remain valuable to Germany's naval strategy, despite current difficulties. Ultimately, how the German government manages the F-126 challenges will influence not only its naval modernization timeline but also future approaches to defense acquisition. Success will depend on resolving digital integration problems, improving coordination among contractors, managing costs effectively, and maintaining political support. The situation also illustrates the evolving nature of military technology projects in the 21st century, where software and digital processes are as critical as physical construction. Achieving synergy between these elements requires innovation not only in technology but also in management, communication, and contractual structures. The F-126 frigate program stands at a crossroads. It is a technically complex, strategically important, and politically sensitive project whose outcome will shape Germany's naval capabilities for decades. The integration difficulties and delays present serious challenges but also opportunities to learn and improve future procurement practices. Whether the program can overcome these hurdles remains to be seen, but its fate will have a lasting impact on the German defense landscape.